Hi everyone, my name is DrRic Seguil. I am an integrative primary care doctor in the state of Illinois, and I certify for medical cannabis. If you're thinking about getting certified and having your own card, or you're a caregiver for somebody that might have a disabling condition, I'll give you some steps to follow in addition to some new information from the state. So the first thing you would want to do would be to schedule an appointment with me through the Get Healthy webpage I have down below. Next, you'd have to secure some information from your doctor, whether it's a previous doctor or a current doctor, stating that you have one of the chronic conditions, as indicated on the IDPH website. I'll put another link down there too. So this happens to be from my electronic medical records, and if you look, it has both the fibromyalgia diagnosis and the chronic headache diagnosis. So those two would qualify me for getting a medical cannabis card. Now, if you don't have a doctor that you have seen and or he won't give you your information, there's another way to do it. And that would be for qualifying you for the OAPP card. The OAPP card was made for folks that are on OxyContin, Vicodin, Norco, Tylenol with codeine, or Tramadol. Those are all controlled substances. They're painkillers. And if you have a prescription, whether it's recent or remote for one of those, then you would qualify for the 90-day OAPP card. And you do have to come in every 90 days to refill the card or get recertified, but it's a little bit easier if you don't have the documentation that we need. So both of those things, if you get the visit with me scheduled and I get the information when you come in, then we're good. Now, the new data from the Illinois Department of Public Health is that we as doctors can actually do this via Skype or telephone call. So this is probably going to be a very temporary measure, but because of the stay-at-home or shelter-at-home rule, it's allowing my patients or new patients to my practice to do this via Skype. Now, I still have to have you schedule an appointment. I still have to have you get the information that I suggested from your other doctor. But in this case, where we're not going to see each other in Hoffman Estates, I'd have to have you either upload it to Get Healthy, and if you're tech savvy, you should be able to do that and put it into your records on Get Healthy, and I can review them. Or you can fax it to my office so I can review before a visit. And the office fax is 847-519-0998. So either way, whether I see it on the Get Healthy webpage or I see it after you fax it, as long as I have the data, then we're good. So I'll give you the opportunity to figure out which one you want to take advantage of. If you want to come in, that certainly is fine, but with COVID going around, I'd be very careful about traveling outside. And again, the idea for doing this via video conferencing will probably not last forever, so I'd take advantage of it if I were you. I also have other videos down below on my YouTube page for how to use medical cannabis. If you're already a card holder, you're just interested in maybe fine-tuning what you're using, feel free to click on any of the videos. Otherwise, I'll hopefully see you either in the office or on the web page. Try to stay healthy and safe during this tough time.